Welcome to our channel, where we dive into the thrilling world of heavy equipment and immerse ourselves in the biggest technological marvels on the planet. I will definitely surprise you with these machines. Get ready to be mesmerized by the groundbreaking innovations right here. The Vermeer CT718 is a powerful compost turner designed for large-scale operations. With a robust 550 horsepower engine and weighing 31 tons, it transforms organic waste efficiently. Its high-capacity drum can handle windrows up to 18 feet wide, optimizing composting time. The CT718 is an essential machine for those looking to maximize productivity in composting and organic recycling. Next is the JASDF EC-1, Japan's cutting-edge electronic warfare aircraft. This nimble jet is powered by two Rolls-Royce Spey engines, each delivering 12,000 pounds of thrust. Weighing around 15 tons and equipped with sophisticated radar jamming systems, the EC-1 excels in electronic countermeasures and air defense. Its sleek design and advanced technology make it a formidable presence in the sky. Meet the Tribine T1000, a groundbreaking combine harvester with a 650 horsepower engine and a 27-ton weight. Its innovative 1,000 bushel grain tank and pivoting design offer unparalleled harvesting efficiency. Revolutionizing the field with its impressive power and capacity, the T1000 stands at the forefront of agricultural technology. Tesla's Cybertruck is a futuristic all-electric beast with a range of up to 500 miles. Boasting up to 800 horsepower and a towing capacity of 14,000 pounds, this 3.2-ton marvel redefines power and efficiency. Its stainless steel exoskeleton and armored glass offer unmatched durability. Want to see how it performs on the road? This vehicle isn't just a truck, it's a revolution in motion. The Caterpillar D9T Bulldozer is a powerhouse of engineering, designed to tackle the most challenging terrains. With a robust weight of 47 tons and powered by a formidable 350 horsepower Cat C18 engine, it excels in heavy-duty operations. This bulldozer's advanced features, including its high-performance blade and precision controls, make it an indispensable tool for major construction and mining projects. Have you ever seen a train that can transform? I'm sure you'll never find them on YouTube. Don't rush to leave, but stay and get ready to be amazed by this marvel. Powered by Shay locomotives with 1,500 horsepower and weighing 140 tons, these engines climb steep gradients effortlessly. Enjoy a unique journey through vibrant autumn colors, a perfect adventure for train enthusiasts and nature lovers. Witness the might of the Terex RH-170 face shovel excavator, a behemoth weighing 250 tons and boasting 1,700 horsepower. With its colossal 34 cubic yard bucket, it dominates the mining landscape, effortlessly loading Hitachi and Terex dumpers. Imagine the raw power and precision as this giant machine moves tons of earth with ease, redefining the boundaries of heavy machinery. New VLR's construction bridge is a marvel of modern engineering. This colossal bridge-building machine seamlessly assembles massive sections with precision, featuring a 500 horsepower engine. At over 80 meters long and weighing 800 tons, it transforms the urban skyline, showcasing groundbreaking technology and redefining bridge construction in dense metropolitan areas. Are you curious about how it works? Stay tuned. The BM 1300/35 is a cutting-edge road milling machine designed to handle the toughest tasks with ease. With a powerful 400 horsepower engine and a hefty weight of 34 tons, this machine delivers precision and efficiency in every operation. Its 1.3 meter milling width and advanced technology make it ideal for large-scale road maintenance and resurfacing projects. The Caterpillar 6060 is a formidable force in mining, designed to tackle the most challenging excavation tasks. Weighing in at 600 tons and powered by a robust 2,500 horsepower engine, this massive excavator excels in productivity and power. With a bucket capacity of up to 34 cubic meters, the CAT 6060 delivers unmatched efficiency and performance in large-scale operations. It's unbelievable, the Vityaz DT30, an extraordinary amphibious vehicle designed for extreme terrains. With a formidable 2,000 horsepower engine, it weighs around 30 tons and boasts impressive off-road and water capabilities. This versatile behemoth handles challenging environments with ease, making it an essential asset for both rugged landscapes and aquatic missions. The CH-Wing MDS 5034 Mobile Diamond Wire SAW, a cutting-edge machine with a 140 kilowatt engine and weighing about 15 tons. Engineered for precision and strength, it excels in cutting tough materials effortlessly. Ideal for large-scale projects, this mobile saw delivers exceptional performance and versatility. The C6 TXP-2 tunneling machine is a powerhouse in underground construction, weighing 60 tons and driven by a 400 kilowatt engine. Engineered for precision in tight spaces, it features a state-of-the-art cutter head and advanced hydraulic systems to handle rock and soil with ease. Its innovative design ensures high efficiency and reliability, making it ideal for complex tunneling projects. Gerd Haberman's jet school bus roared with a 5,000-pound thrust Westinghouse J34 jet engine and boasting 3,600 horsepower. Originally built for jet fighters, this beast ran 11.20 seconds at 127 miles per hour. Despite poor weather, it will ensure you never be late for school again. Discover the P&H 4800 XPC, a colossal mining shovel engineered for power and efficiency. With a staggering operating weight of 1,800 tons and 4,500 horsepower, this machine excels in moving massive amounts of material. Its 42 cubic meter bucket capacity allows it to handle the toughest mining tasks with ease, making it a powerhouse in the world of heavy equipment. The Komatsu 980E, the titan of mining trucks. With a colossal payload capacity of 363 tons and a massive gross weight of 670 tons, it's driven by a formidable 2,700 horsepower engine. Designed for extreme durability and efficiency, this powerhouse tackles the toughest mining challenges with ease. Experience the scale and power that redefine mining operations. And now, I will introducing the C7XP2 drilling rig for you, a marvel of engineering that redefines efficiency. With a 500 horsepower engine and a robust 28-ton weight, this powerhouse tackles tough drilling jobs effortlessly. Featuring a 30-meter drilling depth and advanced automation systems, the C7XP2 ensures precision and reliability. Witness the future of drilling technology in action. The Magni RTH 7.26, the latest in telehandler innovation. This powerhouse boasts a lifting capacity of 7 tons and a maximum reach of 26 meters. With a robust 130 horsepower engine and a total weight of 12,500 kilograms, it's designed for exceptional performance and versatility on the job site. Get ready to elevate your expectations with cutting-edge technology and impressive power. Let's discover the marvel of mining technology, the bucket wheel excavator. With a colossal weight of up to 13,000 tons and a powerful 10,000 kilowatt engine, this behemoth digs with precision. Its massive rotating wheel, equipped with numerous buckets, can excavate over 200,000 cubic meters of material daily, revolutionizing efficiency in open-pit mining. The T1 Subsea Trencher by Osbit, a game-changer in underwater excavation. Weighing 300 tons and powered by a robust 2,000 kilowatt engine, this machine cuts through seabed materials with unmatched precision. Capable of trenching depths up to 3,000 meters, the T1 combines advanced hydraulic systems with cutting-edge technology to deliver exceptional performance in challenging subsea environments. The SMD Bulk Cutter revolutionizes underwater excavation with its powerful design. Weighing 450 tons and equipped with a 2,500 kilowatt engine, it effortlessly tackles seabed materials. Operating at depths up to 3,000 meters, it utilizes high-torque rotary cutters to efficiently remove bulk materials. This cutting-edge machine's robust hydraulic systems and precision engineering ensure unparalleled performance in demanding subsea conditions. The crawler drill stands as a marvel in construction efficiency. Weighing 42 tons and powered by a 350 kilowatt engine, it excels in tough conditions with a robust hydraulic system. Designed for precision and durability, This machine handles challenging terrain and complex tasks effortlessly. With its advanced control systems and impressive power, it delivers optimal performance on any job site.